working with land use, land cover, image classification using your GIS softwares. On today's tutorial, I'm going to be sharing with you on how to download satellite imagery on some sites. Before you download a satellite imagery, you must know the type of band combinations you need to download. Right here, we have band combinations. On my video description, I'll drop this PDF for you. It was downloaded online, so it opens. You can go online to check for band combinations. You don't just download any satellite imagery. It has to be specific to your task. You have to download the combination that suits your project task, so I'll drop this PDF on my video description. All right, you can see here we have National Agriculture Imagery Program. You can see the band number, band 1 to 4. We have for band name red, green, blue, and NER. And for the first one, which is band combination 1, 2, 3, which is red, green, blue, you can see the uses. We have color infrared. The color infrared combination is 412. So you have to understand the band combination before you download any satellite imagery for your land use, land cover. I'll release this PDF on my video description for you to download, so you have access to it. There are some sites where you have access to download satellite imagery. Site links for you to download satellite imagery. I'll drop that on my video description as well. Alright, so now this is one of the sites here. We have USGS Earth Explorer. This is one of the sites. For you to download on this site, the first thing is you have to register with this site. Once you register with this site, you have access for you to download. Right on the screen here, you can see the site. This is the site on the screen. So once you come into the site, you go to the locations where you want to work. You bring the map towards the locations of your project area, that is where you want to download satellite imagery for. And when you are already on the locations that you're interested in, so I will move to a particular locations that I want to download satellite imagery, land use, land cover. So in a situation whereby I'm interested in this area, these locations is where I want to download the landsat from. All I'm going to do is, alright, now, so as you can see the screen now, what I'll do now is to select the locations I'm interested in. I'm going to select the locations I'm interested in to download the imagery. So as soon as I select that, you can see, as soon as I select that, I'll click on data sets. After I click on data set, the next thing for me to do is I want to download landsat. So I'll click on this plus icon beside the landsat. Alright, so now we have this landsat collection. Alright, so we have this landsat. So the next thing is I'll click on landsat collection, the plus icon beside it, and I'm interested in this. I'll select and I'll click on. After selecting that, all I'll simply click on is to click on this result. I'll click on results here, and immediately I click on results, it's going to bring out this for me on the screen. So after obtaining this, right when you check this out, when you click on this, when you click on this icon here, you realize something. It shows the location on the screen. So that's what it brought out for me. That's what I'm going to download. So with this I'm going to click on this download option. I'll click on the download option. Right after clicking on the download option, now I'll click on select file. So after clicking on the select file, we have several options. If you want to download the whole of this data, you can select everything at once, and all you simply need to do is to click on download all selected now. If you are specific, if you want to be specific towards a band combination, like I'm interested in just band combination 432, so that's what I'll select. I'll select band combination 432 and I'll turn off the rest. So now, as you can see, band 4, 3 and 2 is now selected. After selecting that, I'll click on this download all selected now, and immediately click on download all selected. And as soon as you download the image, what you get is this. This award was just downloaded now, and that's what we have on our ArcGIS. And if you found this video helpful, don't want to subscribe to my channel, comment on my video, like and share. Thank you.